Yo, good morning guys. It is now 9:04 and I'm actually making a decision if I am going to travel with my bike because I am on a 3 days off start today and 2 days more. Yeah, I have been wanting to do this because last week I was day off for 4 days and then I worked for 2 days and then now again is 3 days off. One of them is actually Liu Day. Yeah, and I don't want it to be wasted. I want it to be very adventurous. Yeah, I'm thinking I'm pushing my heart to do it today. Yo, it is now, look at that, already 2 o'clock and I'm still here planning. I can't really decide of going with my bike packing, like a short bike packing. Yeah, because before my original plan was to bike pack all the way to Sydney. Yeah, but then recently my employer, the company, they sent us email that if you ever come from Sydney, or if you ever been in Sydney, you should inform the company and they will give you like 14 days of home quarantine. Yo, good evening guys. It's already 5:40 and yeah, I didn't go. I'm still here in the house and I'm actually now hungry. I have this flour and it's coming from here. If you remember last time I made donut. Yeah, and now I'm going to make a bread. This is just flour and then I'm going to add some baking powder. I'm not going to measure. I think it's enough. And I'm going to add some water. This is not hot water. This is just water that is left over. I just mix that. We are basically making a dough as for a bread. Oh, I put some salt. Also some garlic paste. This much. This is now the dough. It is going to be a flatbread. Just make it round like this. I'm going to cook that later. I'm just going to have a coffee while watching the news. It is now 5:55. The news is 6 o'clock. Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, I have my bike inside here because I'm planning to go on bike packing. I was day off yesterday. I was planning to do it yesterday, but I failed to do it. And now I'm still deciding to boost my confidence. I mean to encourage myself to do that. I put my bike inside and try to figure out how things work. Yeah. Wow, look at that. I am now on my setup of my bike. But you know, I'm still not totally sure if I'm going to do it. Anyway, I will make a breakfast first. I still have this dough that I made last night. I'm going to fry this and one egg also. Yo, yeah, we made it. We are now on our way to do bike packing. It's just going to be today until tomorrow. You know, these are kinds of plants. There's having a really beautiful flower. Yeah, look at that. How beautiful are those flowers, those yellow thing.